class, let's practice subitizing up to 10. Now, I'm going to stop and we're going to do what's called a number talk with some of these flashcards. That means I would like to give you the chance to explain how you got your answer, and then I'll explain how I got my answer too. Let's practice together. Now remember, I will be showing you numbers, tally marks, and dots in a 10 frame. See if you can tell me what the number is before I tell you. 10. 8. 7. Now, let's talk about this. How did you find the number 7? I saw 7 because I first saw a group of 5. Now remember, we can tell it's a group of 5 by the 4 tally marks and 1 going across. Here's my group of 5 and 2 more. 5, 6, 7. I can quick count that. Nine. How did you get the number 9? I got the number 9 because I know this is a 10 frame. That means when it's all filled up, there's 10 dots. Only 1 dot is missing. What number comes before 10? 9. I could also see this as 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 5 and 4. Do you see that? Six. Did you get 6? I see a group of 5 and 1 more. 5, 6. 9. 6. Do you see 2 groups of 3? Here's one group. Here's another group. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 and 3 more is 6. Do you see that the 10 frame is completely filled up with dots? That means we can look at that quickly and know that there are 10. 6. 'I have 2 groups of 5, so I can quick count them. Ready? 5, 10. Remember, I know that this is a group of 5 because there's 4 tally marks and 1 across, so it's a group of 5. 5, 10. This is 10. 7. 8. I can look at this as a group of 4, a group of 4. Is there another way that I could look at this? Do you see groups of 2? Look, 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2, 4 groups of 2. That's 8. Try this one. 7. How did you find the number 7? There are so many ways to find the number 7. How did you know that this was 7 quickly? I see a group of 4, 5, 6, 7. I see a group of 3 and a group of 4. I see a 10 frame and there's 3 missing. So look, I could try it on my hands. 10, take away 3 equals 5, 6, 7. 7. Good job! You can make your own Subitizing flashcards as well. Keep practicing.